Your name is Scott, and you're showing us what?
Liver cells. Trying.
Are they suspended in something?
Now they should be flat on the plate, so I'm trying to...
Like the, is the liquid in it?
Yeah, so this is food, basically.
Oh, wow.
I'm just trying to grow, get them to show up.
You're actually growing liver cells apart from the human body.
Yeah, oh yeah. Let me just turn down.
What do you say, Allison?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I concur. I concur. And this place where we're at is Sinai.
Mount Sinai Medical School.
Aha.